We're here at DSEI 2017. I'm talking with George Mansfield, Vice President International, Oshkosh Defence. We're standing beside a JLTV that's painted in British Army green. George, could you perhaps talk us through why it's here, why it's this colour?
Sure, I can. As it's been reported out there, there is an FMS case that's going through the system right now between the MOD and the DOD to use the JLTV as the solution for the MRVP program, Package 1. So we brought the vehicle here, we painted it in the UK colors, and then we added some of the UK in-service equipment, not necessarily what will go on the MRVP, but some of the equipment that is in service today with the MOD.
But essentially it's a US spec JLTV with those extras on it, just to demonstrate capability?
Exactly. Right now, today, it's a US spec with some UK in-service equipment, just so that we could show that, you know, whatever they want us to mount on this vehicle, that we have that capability.
Now, the figures that have been touted for the UK's requirement, some sources say 2,700 odd, others say it's more likely to be 750 odd. Is there anything you can say? Can you firm those numbers up in any way?
Well, there was a press release put out by the State Department that said that they had approved an FMS case for up to 2,747 vehicles. We've heard, and it's been reported out there, that really they're looking at 750-ish kind of vehicles, but whatever they look for, we have the capability of doing anything within that range on our current existing production lines.
And within the US and JLTV, over the recent months, there have been a number of developments. The US Air Force have apparently come on board. The Marines have apparently suggested their quantities will increase, and possibly reconnaissance vehicle will become a JLTV variant. Could you talk us through some of those developments?
Sure. There's an interest from the Air Force to add to their initial buy would be about 140 units. And then the Marines have said they started out at a little over 5,000 units, and they want to increase that 60% to right around 9,000 units. So there is more interest there for those two armed services. And then also, you're right, as far as the reconnaissance, we're going to develop a kit that will be included into the technical data package, the TDP, and they will be able to call up those kits to use that as an interim solution, okay, for the reconnaissance vehicle. But let it be known that their acquisition objective still isn't going to change. So with those increased numbers, right now today, their acquisition objective is still the same.
And what are the current acquisition objectives? How many contracts or delivery orders have been placed to date? And what are the current quantities, basically?
So the acquisition objective today is right around 49,000 for the Army and about 5,000 right now for the Marine Corps. So a total of, you know, just under 55,000 vehicles. Today we've gotten 6 delivery orders on our initial contract for up to 17,000 vehicles. And we've gotten 6 delivery orders to date. And we're right about at the 2,600 vehicles on contract right now. So we're in low rate production. We expect to go into full rate production about this time next year. But right now today, while they're still testing the vehicle, we're in low rate production.
Excellent. Thank you very much, George.
Thank you, Shaun.